Wonderful people, you are all welcome back to my channel. My name is Amara Angie, and today I'll be cooking indomie noodles. So these are the things I'll be using to cook indomie noodles. This is carrots, tomato, fresh tomato. This is indomie noodles. As you can see, eggs, vegetable oil, green pepper, and Cameroon pepper. This is water, small quantity of water inside the pot. So I will be heating this water, and after heating it, I will add indomie noodles inside it. Of course, we all know that there are a million ways of cooking indomie, and I want this method today. After adding this indomie, I will allow it to boil for 3 minutes. I'm trying to boil the indomie actually, so it will boil for 3 minutes. I will sieve out the water from this indomie and keep it aside. This is a frying pan. I will add vegetable oil and allow it to heat a bit. I'll be adding chopped onion and I will stir. Next is fresh tomato. Carrots, bell pepper. I will stir all together and fry for 2 minutes. This is indomie spice. I will not be using all. I will add 2 sachets. It depends on your choice. You can still use all if you want. I will add egg. This is the prepared indomie. So I'll be adding the sauce inside this indomie. And I will fry them together. Remember, I've not added my Cameroon pepper, so I will be adding Cameroon pepper now. This is Cameroon pepper, and I will stir. Wonderful people, my tasty indomie is ready. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.